Assalamu alaikum to all my brothers and sisters. I hope you all are good. So our question is very Surah Al-Anfal in Quran. So the answer of the question is Surah Al-Anfal is the 8th chapter of the Quran found in the 9th section of the Holy Book. It has 75 verses and is named after Al-Anfal, an Arabic word that means the spoils of war or the bounties. This surah was revealed in Medina after the Battle of Badr, one of the first significant battles in Islamic history. The main themes include how Muslims should approach conflict, treat enemies, and maintain unity. It encourages trust in God and emphasizing the importance of discipline, patience, and faith, especially during challenging times. Through its lessons, the surah aims to teach Muslims that it has ethical moral ways to handle victory and conduct themselves in both peace and war. Overall, Surah Anfal teaches Muslims about the values of honesty, fairness, and loyalty to the community and to God, guiding them to act ethically in both conflict and peace. I hope you understand this. Okay, Allah Hafiz. See you in next video.